G'day trendsetters. In today's video we're talking cauliflowers, more specifically orange cauliflowers. Yeah, that's right, orange. Cauliflowers come in a whole range of colours. There's green, purple, white of course, the standard one, and now orange. And these seeds come to me from Happy Valley Seeds. So these seeds come from Happy Valley Seeds, and there's only 7 seeds in a packet. They cost $4.50, but there's a good reason why. And they go on here to say, important, please read before buying. We're selling only an exact 7 cauliflower orange F1 seeds per packet for the listed price. These are specialty commercial premium hybrid seeds, which is rare and a lot expensive than open pollinated seeds. Being a hybrid strain, it is not suitable for seed saving. Seeds are pelletized with a coating. Pelletizing, the main reason why seeds are pelletized, which is to make them bigger, so as commercial growers with their seed sowing machines can get an even spread of seeds from the machine. It just makes the seed bigger so the machine can handle them better. But it goes on. This is an orange cauliflower variety, matures in 58 days from transplant. So 58 days is going to take me 4, maybe 5 weeks before they're a transplantable size. The orange colour becomes even brighter when lightly cooked. Produces about 17 centimetre diameter of the head when ready to harvest. There you go. So I've got to get them in now, otherwise I'm going to run out of time. I've only got 7 seeds, as I said. I want probably 2 for my home garden, and I'm going to take 5 to my work garden, where I will show you more on the soil preparation that I'm going to do for growing these orange cauliflowers. Also, I think in the intro I mentioned there's purple, green, orange. Purple, green, orange, oh, and the white one, of course. But there's also a Romanesque. If you've never seen the Romanesque, I'll put a picture up. But it's got, hang on, it's got, I've got a description of it. All right, this is the description from Wikipedia. And there's some curly words in here too. But it says, Romanesque broccoli is an edible flower bud of the species Brassica oleracea. First documented in Italy in the 16th century, so that's the 1500s. It is chartreuse in colour, chartreuse. It goes on and has a form naturally approximating a fractal. I didn't look up fractal, but I assume it's some repeating pattern that looks quite nice. It's a conical thing, you'll see in the photo anyhow. When compared to a traditional cauliflower, it has a firmer texture and delicate nutty flavour. So there's 5 different cauliflowers you can grow, but I'm just going to do the orange one. I don't want to lose any of these. There's only 7 there. I didn't do the maths. What's 7 into $4.50? So just about half of the, or just my fingernail tip. That'll do. How's that? Deep. And I'll pop a seed in each one. You can, you're not going to see that. They're a greeny colour, so they've been pelletized and they're made to look green. It's easy to find them. 2, 3, 4. There you go. Just fill them back in. Put them in a fairly bright spot with a bit of morning sun, and in a week to 2 weeks they'll be up, and a couple of weeks after that, or 3 weeks, maybe 4, I will plant them in the garden where I'll show you the soil preparation. But that's it, orange. That's all it is. They haven't got a fancy name. I just say, no, just cauliflower orange, F1. I will take a video or make a video of each stage. So this is seed planting. I'll do the soil preparation, then I'll do the planting of the seedlings, and whatever else I do throughout the year, right up until we cook them, find out what they taste like, see how they look, find out what they taste like. I think they said in that video they lose a little bit of their colour at cooking. So we'll find out. Sounds like fun. Cheers, thanks for watching. See you on the next video and bye for now. Please like and subscribe.